Behavior-based safety. Definitions. Behavior is any measurable thing a person does directly, including speaking, acting, and performing physical functions. Attitudes are within a person's head. Hence, they are not measurable or observable. However, attitudes may be changed by changing behaviors. Behavior-based safety, BBS, which is often described as a bottom-up approach, frontline employees, with top-down support from safety leaders. Purpose of BBS training: to improve soft skills along with the employee's technical skills. To improve overall personality of the employee. The aim of BBS training is to improve overall safety of workplace. BBS training and implementation is always identified as one of the vital functions of EHS management. BBS approach is one which is based on solid principles about engaging, motivating, assisting, reinforcing, and sustaining safe behaviors. Takes a systematic approach, examining the motivation underlying behaviors in order to increase safe behavior. Is an ongoing effort, not once-off provisions, but a new way of working that the safety leader must continually promote for sustainable, positive results. Takes time to achieve, however, results can be observed immediately due to the nature of measurement involved. BBS programs do not depend solely on lagging indicators, after the fact, and instead shift the focus to leading indicators, preventative. It is a supplementary tool that will enhance the effect of already existing practices and will allow for an objective measurement system. Aims to understand causes of incidents and near misses and correct them through the behavior of relevant people. ABC model. A for antecedent. The letter A stands for antecedents, activating event, which refer to something that precedes and stimulates behavior. B for behavior. The letter B stands for behavior and refers to any act or action observed by others. C for consequence. The letter C stands for consequences, which arise directly from the behavior. The guidelines to implement BBS program. Obtain the involvement and commitment of the workforce through consultation, discussion, and the provision of information. Install a steering committee to implement and monitor progress in the development of the program. Analyze recent accident and near-miss records to identify unsafe behaviors responsible for a substantial amount of the accidents. Develop a specific checklist to incorporate the identified behaviors. Employees are trained for safety observation techniques, and they provide feedback. Establish a baseline to monitor behavior in the workplace. To ascertain the current average levels of safe behavior at workplace. Establish a safety improvement target with each department. Monitor progress daily, and provide detailed feedback to each department. Review performance trends to identify any barriers to improvement. Provide feedback by way of briefing sessions at regular intervals, seeking the views, recommendations, and opinions of all personnel. Case study: Behavioral intervention over time. Step 1. Safety assessment. Past interventions. Identify risk training. Step 2. Designing team. 10 people. Area manager, committee leader. Step 3. Identify safety values. Create safety process for individual units. Step 4. Training on and behavioral observation techniques. Step 5. Complete at least 2 safe behaviors from listed checklist. Step 6. Employee monthly feedback, verbal, visual, rewards, Percent age increment. Step 7. Roll out program from initial area of plant to plant wide.